Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select accessibility from the left side. Okay, you can see here there's an option of accessibility, then select hover text and turn on that hover text. Okay, it is basically useful for you are using mouse pointer. It will be enlarge the text or items where your pointer pointing at. So this is very useful whenever you use mouse pointer or pointing device on your iPad. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you have some, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Also, you can uh, change the hover text settings from here, like color, background, and other settings. So that's guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.